Hope guys, another morning, Sunday morning kayak tournament. It's a handful of us out here on the high river and creek that goes up the river. We're gonna fish. I'm right at the mouth of the creek. Never fished down here before, but there's already just getting off at the dock right there. Looks like a lot of good spots here to cast around and stuff. Gonna be using probably a lot of top water today. Starting off with the Buka bull rat wake bait. Got some walking bait and some poppers. See if we can get these guys to commit off of the bed and get angry at the lure. That's the game plan. Mostly top water. Current's a little strong on this back channel. Got him. Lost him. All right, guys, just GoPro. As soon as that fish bit, my GoPro died. He is a nice one. Let's get everything here ready. He's a good 14 and a half. Heck yeah, he is. Not bad. Well, good thing we got our picture. All right. Always lucky to get our picture of him just in time. Let's see if we can't do that again. Got him. Yes. Not as big as the last one, but not a bad one. So he's right on the 12 mark. Nice little fat guy. Let's get him logged. Got him. Barely hooked. That was lucky. Real lucky. All right. Not a bad one. 12 and a half. Good enough. A little bigger than the last one. 12 and a half. Finally got one on the crank. After getting a few hits on it. So we're in the lead right now. Not by much though, but we are in the lead. Got him. Lost him. Oh. Got him. That's a nice one. That's a nice one. Ooh. And he choked it. Bleeding all over my bag. There. All right. Yep, buddy. You'll be all right, even though you're bleeding everywhere. 12. He absolutely hammered it. All right, guys, we're still in the lead. See if we can get some more to commit. We got a lot of area to cover here. We still got a lot of time. Once everybody figures out where I'm at catching fish, they might be sneaking up here. Got him. Oh no, he's right there. He's so big. Got him. Oh, this is a nice fish. Real nice fish. In the net. Yes. Oh, guys, we are killing it on the crank right now. Absolutely having a blast. Twelve and a half. Fat fish down here. Look at these guys. Crank. It says grand on it. Got it in a monster tackle box, just the most recent one for May. I'm absolutely having a blast. That fish was right on the other side of that laydown. Got him. Got a nice one. It's a f***ing sauger. Not a bad little sauger. He had me excited though. Got him. I really need you. Oh my God, we got problems. All right, let's get you in that, bud. There, let's hope you're 10 and I can measure you. And hopefully get the lead with you. He's a dink though, I don't know. He is just 10. All right, little dink, but he counts. Got him. I don't think he'll be 10. Nope. God, they're getting smaller. Got him. Nice one. Get in the net. Yes. Whew, he'll measure. Man, he got all my shit screwed up here. Wow, he's tore up too. All right. 13 and a half, not bad. That's a hybrid. Got him. What the is this? Are you kidding me? Oh my God, I just caught my first muskie. Oh, they're slimy. Hey, Jason. Yeah. First muskie. Nice. Got him, but he's little. Too little to screw with. Got him. Nice fish. No, he's not. He's too small. Man, he felt good though. Got him. That's a nice one. All right, we'll measure him. He's good enough to call. All right, nice little 13-incher. But I got like literally 10 minutes to get him logged. All right, guys, so in wrapping up that video, what a lot of fun we have in these kayak tournaments. And very competitive. It's got very competitive there at the end when I'm in second place and I'm only behind by like 1 or 2 good fish. And I just couldn't pull it out, though. I couldn't get that extra fish that I needed. I actually came in second, lost to good old George by 5.5 inches. He had me beat by 5.5 inches, but I lost 2 at the kayak that would have probably made up that difference and put me in first and won the tournament. But that's how it goes sometimes with tournament fishing. So the Buka Baby Bull Rat, awesome killer bait. It's a top water wake bait. The bass can't stand it. I've fished this thing so much in the last 4 weeks. It has just been amazing at the bites this thing contributes, and it's always been the bigger bass I get off of that. This little here crankbait really started. I switched to this after the Bull Rat. They were nailing this guy really good. I don't know the name of it. It says Grand on the top. If you Google Grand Crankbait, you get the Guggen Squad Grand Crankbait. I don't think this is a Guggen Squad because the eyes are different, but I'll let you guys leave a comment and below if you know what kind of crankbait this actually is, who makes it. Came in a Monster Bass subscription, and the same with this crankbait, Monster Bass subscription. These all actually came in Monster Bass subscription. The Bull Rat, the Grand Crank, and this bluegill pattern one. This one here was really killer too. They really liked it, but as you can see, the bill is not quite as square as a square bill. So here's your square bill. There's your square bill. And then there's this one here in bluegill pattern. It's more like a round bill. So regardless, we were throwing the right lures. They were nailing them. We were catching good bass. Just couldn't get that couple big ones in the kayak that I needed to close that tournament out. Caught a nice muskie, little 2-footer. I say nice because it's my first one, but coming out of that creek, I don't think it's a bad muskie. So, all right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, and share, and we will catch you on the next lake.